It's a 2016 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Tiger Shark multi-air engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Uconnect access, manual telescoping steering column, Uconnect access Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, front and rear tow hooks, Uconnect with Bluetooth, and automatic transmission. The truth about cars writes, it has a sporty aura, smoothly finished and handsome. Journey anywhere in a Jeep. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.